ว่าตลอดจูบคณีสายจะทำไมจะมวยนัง channel เทียเซียสำหรับเนี่ยมาดองเตียได้ในครั้งนี้มีคณียังนักนะแต่มาตัวเป็นนังไงเอาตอนเจดูก็โดยเชียแช่งใน Apple ID ระบบประเทศนี่มวยอุตสาหะจะสไนจังยังเติมต่อมาปีขมายเอายังปลา Apple ID ขมายให้ยังโจมรูในขนมประเทศกระเดมันทางประเทศกระเดหรือก็ประเทศเซย์นักเนี่ยยังโจมรูในให้ยังตระการดาวน์โหลดแอปมวยจำนวนไปคลาในขนม App Store บางยังอดเมียนเนี่ยแต่ตัวสาบเมื่อแผลยังคลาเทียนคือกอดเมียนจังแฮดไอบานเจียตัวสาบเกมีนตัวสาบยังอดเมียนแอปนั่งในขนม Apple ID บ่ยังจังเตอจ้องดังปีวิธีเฟอร์ก็โดยจิตดอกสไลด์ต่อยังโจมมือวิดโอเปนชั่วโมงยมตั้งอักเนี้ยเดบงลาวในเปได้เนี่ยตั้งอักเนี้ยดาวน์โหลดแอปมวยในขนม App Store อุตสาหจะสไลด์คือจีการวิธีบอกก็ได้จังเตอยมทุกการดาวน์โหลดแอปมวยคือ Mobile Quantly บันในทาประกาศโค้ด P ระบายตรงจังยังทุกการดาวน์โหลดแอปหนึ่งมวยเมาส์แล้วยังโจมจะเสิร์ชแอปหนึ่งสินจังยมอุตสาหจะสไลด์ตามร้องตัวซับบอกยังมวยจำนวนยังทุกการเป็นอย่างขนมกูปังก็โดยจีดับเบิลประกาศ P ระบายตรงเต็งระบบมาปีกลายประเทศจังเตอสำหรับนี่คือยมบานดาวน์โหลดรู้ย้ายโดยยมปลา Apple ID เซ็งจังยมลงทุกการเสิร์ชในชั่วโมงวิบันท้ายยมหมดเสิร์ชยมลงทุกการ copy โยตามร้องผู้เสิร์ชtớiก็อดเคยก็ได้ยัง copy จะมาเชียงยังจดหรือแอปนั่งจอเมาส์อันนี้ยมอุตสาหไปแจกแบบเนี่ยตรงนี้โอเคพอตอนมาที่เนี่ยตรงนี้ก็ไลน์โย share app หายังทุกการโยก็ไลน์ copy เมาส์นั่งไงหายังโจตัวก็ไลน์Safari ยังทุกการ copy เมาส์จังยมทุกการ copy ให้ paste วิเมาส์พอตอนที่ยมลงทุกการ enter เนี่ยคอยไป enter เมาส์ก็โดยเชีย search ในชั่วโมงกรรมทีนั้นคือวิดับจังตามดองนี่วิดับ app not available จังตามดองบันนี้ถ้าApple ID นั้นคือវាអត់ support ជាមួយនឹងប្រទេសដែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាកំពុងរស់នៅទេយើងចូលទៅដូរគឺងាយស្រួលទេកុំឲ្យវាកាន់តែវែងឆ្ងាយយើងចូលទៅក្នុង setting របស់ទូរស័ព្ទរបស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយបន្តមកទៀតអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចុចទៅលើកន្លែង profile ខាងលើហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់ពីចុច profile ខាងលើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអ៊ំក្រោមតិចយើងរកពាក្យថាកន្លែង media កន្លែង App Store ហ្នឹងរូប App Store ហ្នឹងយើងចុចចូលលើហ្នឹងមកនេះវាបង្ហាញជាទ្រង់ទ្រីបែបហ្នឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នារាប់ពីលើមកគឺលេខ3គេដាក់ថា view account យើងចុចមកហើយយើងធ្វើការរងចាំអូខេបន្តមកទៀតវានឹងទាមទារយើងវាយ Apple ID ក៏ដូចជា password នឹងឡើងវិញគឺវាយpassword អញ្ចឹងយើងវាយ password យើងចូលមកបន្ទាប់ពីយើងវាយចូលហើយយើងចុចពាក្យថា sign in យើងរងចាំនេះបន្ទាប់ពី sign in ហើយយើងធ្វើការរងចាំវាបន្តិចនេះបន្លោះនេះអ្វីដែលយើងចូលសំខាន់បំផុតយើងចូលទៅដល់ហ្នឹងហើយគឺវាដាក់ថា country and region នេះអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺមាន Cambodia ពីកតុយកន្លែងគេដាក់ថា country និង region ហើយខាងក្រោយហ្នឹងយើងបង្កើតយកប្រទេសណាគឺវា load មកតែម្ដងសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំគឺបង្កើតនៅប្រទេស Cambodia ទាំងប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងនៅពេលដែលយើងមកដល់កូរ៉េឬក៏ដល់ប្រទេសណាក៏ដោយអ្នកនរគ្នា download app នឹងអត់បានអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចធ្វើការចូលទៅ Chang បន្តទៀតយើងចុចលើ line ហ្នឹងមកដើម្បីយើងទៅ Chang ប្រទេសព្រោះនេះយើងអូសរកក៏បាន search បានតែសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំគឺ search រកខ្ញុំដាក់ប្រទេសកូរ៉េដោយសារតែខ្ញុំមកនៅក្នុងកូរ៉េអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅ search កូរ៉េមកអូខេក្រោយពីយើង search ពាក្យថាកូរ៉េគឺវាចេញមកតែម្ដងបន្តមកយើងចុចលើហ្នឹងហើយយើងចុច continue ព្រោះនេះយើងចុចកន្លែង agree លើនេះហើយប្លន់នេះយើងត្រូវជ្រើសរើសបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ pay តាមការ pay តាមអីទិញ app ទិញ game ទិញអីមួយចំនួនអីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមាន account ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដាក់ចូលទៅក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំធ្វើពីរបៀបនៃការ free ទេគឺយើង download free app ទាំងអស់តែម្ដងនេះយើងចុចពាក្យថា none បន្តមកទៀតប្លន់នេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាកន្លែងដាក់ line straight នេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដាក់តាមខ្ញុំក៏បានដាក់អីក៏បានដែរអត់ខ្វល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចេះតែដាក់មកអូខេហ្នឹងហើយបន្តមកទៀតយើងជ្រើសរើសកន្លែងភូមិស្រុកគេនៅកូរ៉េហ្នឹងនៅណានៅណីយើងជ្រើសរើសមកខ្ញុំយកកន្លែង Taejon ហើយបន្តមកទៀតកន្លែង postal code ជាក់ស្ដែងបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់ដឹងទេខ្ញុំបង្ហាញមួយបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមាននៅ account Coupang អញ្ចឹងយើងចូលគ្រាន់តែចូលទៅក្នុង Coupang របស់យើង search កន្លែង Coupang របស់យើងណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចុចកន្លែងរូបក្បាលមនុស្សនេះមកហើយយើងចុចកន្លែងឈ្មោះយើងខាងលើបន្តមកទៀតអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើការចុចចូលទៅកន្លែងអាស័យដ្ឋានរបស់យើងនេះហើយយើងចូលមើលកន្លែងឈ្មោះយើងនេះយើងចុចកន្លែង Suchong នេះមកចឹងយើងរងចាំវាបានចេញមកហើយនេះកន្លែង postal code នៅប្រឡោះហ្នឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺនៅពីក្រោយហ្នឹងគឺវាមានដាក់ postal code ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាវាយអា postal code នឹងចូលមកសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំគឺ34 37លេខ4ហ្នឹងហើយយើងវាយបញ្ចូលមក34 37លេខ4អូខេប្រឡោះហ្នឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចដាក់តាមខ្ញុំក៏បានដែរអត់បញ្ហាទេហើយបន្តទៀតប្រឡោះនេះយើងដាក់លេខទូរស័ព្ទរបស់យើងដែលកំពុងតែរស់នៅក្នុងប្រទេសកូរ៉េឬក៏ប្រទេសដែលអ្នកនរគ្នាកំពុងរស់នៅណាអញ្ចឹងយើងវាយបញ្ចូលមកឲ្យគ្រប់ចំនួនអញ្ចឹងមកបន្តមកទៀតយើងធ្វើការចុចដានមកបើសិនជាវាឲ្យយើងឆ្លងផុតហើយបើសិនជាវាអត់ឲ្យខុសនៅត្រង់ចំណុចណាមួយគឺចេញក្រហមយើងចុចដានមកយើងរងចាំទៅអានេះគឺវាបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យវាថាបានហើយនេះអញ្ចឹងនេះបានមកប្រទេសកូរ៉េបន្តទៀតអ្នកនរគ្នាចុច Done ខាងលើទៀតអញ្ចឹង 100% ហើយដែលបានហើយយើងចូលទៅមើល link យើងមិញដែលយើងបាន copy មិញអញ្ចឹងយើងផាសវាបញ្ចូលមកអូខេតោះយើង search មកនេះគឺឃើញបានចូលមកតែម្ដង app ហ្នឹងគឺវាបានចូលមកហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាគឺយើងអាច download បានគ្រប់ app នៅក្នុងប្រទេសកូរ៉េដែល Apple ID របស់យើងមួយចំនួនដែលយកមកពីផ្ទះហ្នឹងគឺវាអត់ support ទេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជួបបញ្ហាបែបហ្នឹងអាចធ្វើតាមវីដេអូហ្នឹងបានអូខេវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយជាចុងក្រោយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាកុំភ្លេចចុច subscribe និងដាក់រូបកណ្ដឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗពី channel របស់ខ្ញុំជារៀងរាល់សប្តាហ៍ផងដែរអូខេជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗជាបន្តទៀត